This video is to show you how to get logged into OneNote for the first time. So as you can see, Cobb changed their homepage over the weekend, so it looks a little bit different. Usually you'll be able to go to menu here, parents and students, and then sign in. There is an Office 365 login there. I've also, if for any reason that is not working, I've also made a bit.ly URL that's a little bit shorter. So you can also do bit.ly/Cobb login. That will take you to the same page because I know sometimes the website is not working completely. So once you get to the home, the login page, they will log in with their first name last name at students.cobbk12.org. That login is in the PDF that I sent as well for a good reference. My login's a little bit different. They have to have the students, and then their password is their student number. Once they get logged in, they might get asked this question. Then theirs will look very similar to mine. And at the top, they'll have all of the apps that they have access to. You're going to be looking for this purple OneNote. Click on OneNote, and then they are going to go to, at the top, Shared with Me, and then they should see the fourth grade 2020 to 2021 here. But because I created this OneNote, mine's actually not there. It's actually, mine's in my notebooks. Once they open it the first time, they might be able to find it in the My Notebooks or in the recent. But the first time they have to go to Shared with Me. And then you're looking for fourth grade 2021. Click on it, and it will bring up our OneNote in the web browser. You can access everything through the web browser, but I have found that the app works better. So they have an option to go to Open an App. If you do that, it will open it in the OneNote for Windows 10. I have just found that everything kind of just syncs a little bit better in the app, but if it's not an option, you can use it in the web browser too. Again, mine looks a little bit different because I have access to everybody's OneNote, and they only have access to what I give them access to. But for starters, just to show you how this thing is organized a little bit, I have set up mine to be identical to the kids. So we start with reading and writing every day, then go to math, and then science and social studies. So I try to keep the subjects in the order of our day. And then when they go to reading, they'll see all of our tabs here. We're starting with Storyworks this week. So Storyworks tab, and then our story, all of our assignments for the week are going to be listed here with the day of the week. And I am only planning on distributing those pages the night before. That way it's not super overwhelming to see everything all at once on day one. So really they should only see missing right here and then the Monday tab on Monday. And then on Tuesday, they'll see both Tuesday and Monday, and then so on. So when you go to Monday, here is the story that my ELA class is reading this week. I have a link to the read aloud by the author, and then here is our login code to get access to that. But everything is right here, so there's no more back and forth between websites. You can read it right here. And then on Tuesday, when we get into the actual work involved with this story, it's going to be here too. So everything can be done right here in OneNote. Just a couple tricks if you've never used OneNote before. Everything can be typed right here on this page. You can either just click to type. I don't know what the main character's name is, but I think his name is Linus. So you can do that, and then that's their answer right there. If that is not working for any reason, you can click off the page, type your answer, and then using this gray bar at the top, drag the answer to where you want it to go. I'm going to go over all of these tips and tricks when we start using OneNote, but that's just kind of the first thing I want everyone to understand. That way there's no tears or anything the first couple days that we use this. And then in our math class, if you're in my math class, we will have a math tab, and then our first unit is place value. And then again, theirs won't look like this. It will only look like the day of the week that I post it. So I always start with the tab of the week. That way, after that week's over, you can close it and then we can go on to the next week. So on Monday, they'll see this cubes strategy that I'll talk about, and then their Monday work. And then same for Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is just kind of a brief overview of how to get to OneNote and how you should expect it to be set up. Like I said, I am planning on going over this with the kids starting on Monday. So if you wouldn't mind having your kid log in to OneNote tonight on Sunday or even early Monday morning, that way I can spend most of my time showing them how it's organized and not troubleshooting logins. Everyone should be set up already. And then I have also posted PDF instructions in addition to this video to help you kind of get to where you need to be.